Tesla is in discussion for major investment in Indonesia, a key nickel producer, and also in talks with another potential nickel supplier from Canada. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. Simon Alvarez from Tesla is reporting that Tesla is in discussion for major investment in Indonesia, a key nickel producer, based on reports, and also that Tesla is in talks with another potential nickel supplier from Canada. As you see, that because of the demand of electric cars going up and Tesla needing more, Tesla is selling more cars in each quarter based on the latest records numbers, and also that means Tesla will need more batteries, and Tesla needs to secure as much nickel, cobalt, or battery chemicals and plants as parts as much as possible. So Simon is writing at Teslarati.com that reports have emerged suggesting that Indonesia's government has entered an early discussions with American electric car maker Tesla about a possible major investment in the country, which happens to be a massive producer of nickel. The update was related by an Indonesian government official who shared this information with the Reuters news agency. In a statement to the publication, Ayodhia Kalake, a senior official at Indonesia's coordinating Ministry for Maritime and Investment, noted that Tesla had reached out to the government about a possible venture. Kalake did not provide the specifics of Tesla's communications, though he did mention that the electric car maker Tesla reached out to Indonesia informally. Here is a quote. "It was still an early discussion and was not detailed yet. We need further discussion with Tesla," he said. Tesla, for its part, has remained quite silent about its reported contact with the Indonesian government. Simon Alvarez from Tesla also reports that while the details of Tesla's reported efforts to potentially engage in a venture in Indonesia are still unknown, at this point a partnership with the country would likely benefit the electric car maker. Indonesia is considered as a giant in the nickel industry, after all, with the country boasting 25% of the world's nickel resources. Securing a venture in Indonesia could then be considered by Tesla as a way to strengthen its battery supply chain to a notable degree. Such efforts may very well be a strategic move from the electric car maker Tesla, seeing as Indonesia has stopped exports of unprocessed nickel or to support investment in the domestic industries. Indonesia has been quite busy on the nickel production front. Just last month, Indonesia stated that it had secured a deal to construct a lithium battery plant in the country with South Korean giant LG Chem and Chinese company China's Contemporary Amperex Technology Ltd. CATL. Both are Tesla battery suppliers. Interestingly enough, both LG Chem and, like I said, are partners with Tesla. Recent reports have even hinted that American electric car maker Tesla is looking to acquire a 10% stake in LG Chem when it gets spun off into its own business, LG Energy Solutions, as I've reported below. Tesla's Battery Day recently has shown that the company is intent on developing a formidable battery production system. During its presentation, Tesla CEO Elon Musk revealed that the company will be pursuing a diversified cathode approach for its wide range of electric vehicles and energy storage products. High nickel batteries are intended to be used in the company's most ambitious products such as the Class 8 Tesla Semi and the futuristic Cybertruck. The material is also a key component for the company's nickel manganese batteries, which are expected to be used for long-range electric vehicles like the Model Y and Model X. Now, Simon Alvarez from Tesla is also reporting that back in July, Elon Musk urged nickel miners to ramp their operations, stating that the company will find a welcome, substantial business from Tesla. Musk even remarked that nickel miners could expect a giant contract provided that their nickel is mined and produced in an environmentally sensitive way. Needless to say, a number of companies appear to have answered Tesla's call. From Canada alone, Giga Metals and Canada Nickel Corporation have both expressed their intentions to supply nickel to the electric car maker. Even more recently, Brazilian miner Vale SA also remarked that it is discussing a potential partnership with the electric car maker Tesla. The update was related by the head of Vale's base metal unit on Friday. In a statement to Reuters, Vale Executive Director of Base Metals Mark Travers remarked that the mining firm is absolutely having discussions with Tesla. Interestingly enough, Vale's operations currently span 3 provinces in Canada, with its Voisey base site's underground operation poised to produce about 40,000 tons of nickel in concentrate yearly. So that is the nature of the discussion. I am sure that it's occurring across its industry right now without specifically commenting on Tesla. Those are the conversations we're having right now, the Vale executive said. Vale SA's operations seem to be pretty good fit for Tesla and Elon Musk's requirements. The mining firm adopts a fairly strong environmental stance, dedicating about $2 billion to the development of low-carbon projects, including some that push the use of electrified underground vehicles. Travers noted that Vale is also studying potential to store carbon in tailing of its Thompson Manitoba operations. Tesla seems to have made some headway into acquiring partners for its batteries, other key components. Apart from the multiple nickel suppliers that have hinted at potential partnership with Tesla, the company has also entered into a lithium supply deal with companies such as Australian Mining from Piedmont Lithium, which recently entered into a 5-year deal with the company. You can see that report at torquenews.com. Well, friends, let me know what you think about Tesla's new acquisition, new partnership opportunities with these companies. Tesla's focus on nickel was made evident during the second quarter earnings call when Elon Musk urged miners across the industry to supply as much nickel as possible, and it looks like now these 2 directions, Indonesia and the Brazilian company mining nickel in Canada, have answered, and Tesla is going to have enough supply for its batteries to increase the electric vehicle production at its different gigafactories. If Tesla starts mining nickel from Indonesia, do you think Indonesia could come as a strong candidate for Tesla's second gigafactory, or maybe a plant where Tesla will build batteries in Indonesia? We'll have to see. This could be a interesting development. We were thinking maybe Korea or India, but now Indonesia may also come as a strong candidate for a second Asian Tesla gigafactory. We'll have to see about this, friends. This is Armin Harayan from torquenews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. We're hiring Tesla reporters. If you are interested to work for Torque News and write Tesla or electric car stories, please contact me using our contact information at torquenews.com and check our daily Tesla coverage at torquenews.com/Tesla. Have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you and peace be with all of you.